This is J. Hema Pravalika, URK 20CS1067, Object Oriented Programming, Assignment 3. Create two-way chat application using TCP socket programming. This is the program. This is the client server class and client program. First we'll go to the server class. First we have to import java.io for because we are using input stream and output stream. Then we have to go to the java.net and java.util.scanner. And we all know the first scanner is to get the input from the user. Then here public class server. In here in the main program, in main class, we have to give try catch block. In try block, we have to create a object server socket s is equal to new server socket. This is a port number 5000, and then the message will be it will say that waiting for the client to accept. In client program, same as a server program, we have to create try block. Then in try block, we have to create a socket object. Socket is equals new socket. In here we have to give inside a socket. We have to give two communication parameters. One is IP address and another one is port number. IP address is localhost and the port number is 5000. Then it will say that client connected or server connected. Here I have taken client connected. If it will connect, it will say the client is connected. Then if the client is connected, then in server to accept for this we have to use accept function. It will return as ss is equal s dot accept. Then it will say server connected. So in server connected, then it will say the server is connected. Now we'll go to the client class, client program. Then server is connected. Then we have to get the input from the user. We have to get the input from the user. For this we have to create a scanner. S is equals new scanner. Then we have to get the scanner. Then we have to send the data. We have to send the data to the server. Server is connected to the socket. Then from the socket we have to get a string. For this we have to create a class called a print class. We have to use print writer. Pw is equals new print writer socket dot get output string. Okay, get output string. Then it will get output string. Then we have to get the output from the socket. We have to get the output stream from the socket, and it will connect to the input of the SSC connection. SSC is connected to the SSC. So in client we have to give the data. We have to give the for the number of communication we are using while true. In while true system dot print, that means we have to enter the data. Then it will send the data. And we have to flush it by using flush function. And then it will receive the message from the client, and the server also will give the data from the data. Then the client will accept. Then client will receive the message from the server. This is a two-way communication. Now I'm going to run the program. First I'm going to run the server program. 1 minute. Now I'm going to connect the now I'm going to execute the program. See, see the message in server output. It's showing waiting for the client to accept the request. So in server, now I'm going to the client console. For this, first I'm going to pin the console. Now I'm going to the server client. Okay, see, these two are the same. These two are the server. These two are the same server output. Now server output, server output. But we have to get the client console. For this first we have to run the client program. See, here in both console it's showing waiting server connected, waiting server connected. For to connect the server, to connect the client program, here we have open console. In open, if we have a display, it shows client. Now we have to give the data. First I'm giving hi message, then in server, okay, in server we are getting client message called hi. Now I'm going to give a hi message. See, in client output, server message is coming. Now I'm going to hi. My name is Hema. Then in server, the client, it will accept the message from the client. Now I'm going nice to meet you. 1 minute. I'm giving a message called nice to meet you. Okay, nice to meet you. Now now the client should give a message. Then it will say, what is your name? Then server will say, my name is. See, this is a two-way chat application using a socket programming. Thank you.